Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Old Glory flagpoles. We purchased an Old Glory flagpole weeks ago, installed it, and we absolutely love it. Today it is very windy, gusts up to about 38 miles an hour. Let's go outside and see how it's holding up.
You can see it rocking pretty good. Look at that. I'll go over here. And the winds are up to gusting 36 to 38 miles per hour, and it has been like this all day for about 9 hours now, and that pole is taking some abuse. However, the main selling point of these poles from Old Glory is they can withstand the wind and abuse. Check that out. Look at that pole move. Look at that. And again, we've got a 20-foot pole. They can get a lot higher than that. They do sell them online. But I just wanted to show you the strength of the Old Glory pole itself. We're going on again 9 hours of this constant 36 to 38 mile an hour gusty winds. And I've got 2 flags up. In the event that you just have 1 flag, it won't be as abusive to the actual pole. But the whole selling point of, again, these poles, they will take the abuse. They are built strong, reliable, and will last. And in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to install the Old Glory flagpole, definitely check out the link scrolling above. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.